Okay, today we are going to repair a pothole. So here's the asphalt pothole in question. It's in a commercial parking lot. We're going to cone off the area for safety. Here's a product we're using. This is not a paid promotion. It's just what I've used in the past. It works well. It's a cold patch product. Bought this at Lowe's for $20. It claims you can use it in wet conditions. I have used it in wet conditions before and it does stick and hold up. I'm also going to use a shovel and a hand tamper. So first, I'm going to sweep out the majority of the water out of the pothole as well as the loose sand and dirt. Try to get it as clean as I can. Okay, so I'm simply going to use my shovel to open the bag. I'm not going to dump the whole bag in. I'm going to eyeball it. I think about that much should fill this pothole. I'm just going to try to evenly spread it around in the pothole with the shovel. And we'll use the hand tamper to tamp it down. And I want to end up with a fairly level pothole with the surface. I don't want it below the surface. It can be slightly above. Convex but not concave. And I'll just go back and forth with my hand tamper, up and down, left and right. And you'll see it start to flatten out and even out. Now for good measure, you could apply like a asphalt sealant around the perimeter. I found it's not quite necessary, but that's an option you certainly can consider. I've also heard guys say you can use like a propane torch to heat up this asphalt patch material to help it harden or solidify better. Again, I haven't found that to be necessary, but to each his own. So you can see pretty quick and easy repair. And this will hold us over until we get the parking lot seal coated and restriped next year. I hope this information helps you. Okay, so there's the finished product. Good to go. I want to tell you right quick about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available now on Amazon in ebook and paperback format. This book has common facilities documents, signage, tags, reference and resource material, as well as common shop equipment drawings in the back of the book that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. This makes a great training aid or resource guide. If you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can buy the products you see here. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.